Hi guys, it's Yianni from Yiannimize, and today I'm going to do a little walk around the unit, see what we've got here today. So there is my Range Rover SVR. Yes, it is my SVR 76YC back on this car. I do have a BMW X4M as well. Had it for a couple of days, wasn't really feeling it, so I've got this for now. But anyway, let's have a look around. It's a lovely unit. Where should we go first? Let's go this one first, I think. A Mini here, wrap was stripped, just had it cleaned. Customer's going to come and collect it. We've got a BMW over there that is being stripped, ready for a full wrap. Let me see what colour it's going actually. What colour is it going? It is going, it's going gloss orange. What do we think? Thumbs up, thumbs down? Range Rover, a satin black wrap. This was white. We just got to do calipers on it. This car belongs to SV2, like the football freestyler. And we shot a cool video of him actually. He's got this football that is like indestructible. Got a Mercedes C63 here. This was stripped a few weeks back. He had it for a few years. Now we're wrapping it in like a flip psychedelic colour. Very, very cool. Another white car. Everyone with white cars looking to wrap them nowadays. You've got Tev and Daniel, and you've got Naomi over there. Obviously, we're keeping our distance. Got a little Kieran in the corner. The staff are back. So this is like the new unit where it was all done up. It's quite cool, but I'm gonna head over to the other side. We'll see who's over there and see what they're working on. The first car that I'm gonna see as I walk in, I'm not gonna be able to show you. That's Eamon with his top knot. Check Eamon out, he's got a music video coming out very, very soon. There you go, here you go, there's his plug. Yeah, you gotta plug your people, plug your people. C63, this was wrapped, it's stripped now because the customer's gonna sell it and then his new car's gonna come to us. You got Nicco's Liberty Walk GT-R. This car's crazy, 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 crazy car. It's got an IP exhaust on it as well, which blows flames like that, mad. Mad thing, as people say. That's like the young people say that. I'm old, so I don't say that. Got a Polo here in satin grey. Yes, we do normal cars. People always ask that question, but we do normal cars. And no, the wrap is not worth more than the car. That's what people say. Yawn. Lamborghini Urus over there, that's being wrapped. That's having the rear diffuser painted in gloss black. It's having wheels, tints. You've got a Bentley here. Satin grey, looks lovely. That's satin silver. Looks great there. We're just sorting something out on the back window. That's Terry. Terry's the manager of Yiannimize. Yeah, there's Nicco and Mark. They can't look at the car, can't see the car, can't see the car. As we walk around, that's Chris, little Chris. He's fitting up the Merc AMG GT. He also does all like calipers and stuff like that. We've got Rio. Again, to be fair, that's another member of staff that's got a tune coming out and he's like a rapper. You plugging it?
Soon, I'll give you the link. You can share it.
2 G's on Spotify. There you go, sign up. I'll plug it for him. So I've got Pav in there, fitting a Ghost. We're not going to show you because what he's doing, but he's in there. If you want to sit back in your seat, Pav, sit back. All right, you give me a little wave. All right, take it away from him. And yeah, that's having a Ghost. That needs to be fitted up. That's another Sammy Dahan car. Oh, in the back. I forgot, in the back. Let's go to the back. I'm still carrying a few pounds from COVID, just so you know, yeah? So all you fat shame, it's all good. Man like Gus filming. You know what, and while I'm doing this, look, Gus is filming, LL's filming Gus. We're gonna take Gus's footage, then we can show L as well, but Gus, LL, Gus. That's a great name, Gus, LL, Gus. And in the back, you've got Jason, Bert, and Man Like South. Okay, so Jason and South are my PPF guys. Bert's operations and general dog's body. Anyway, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the walk around. Let me know if you'd like to see more of these from myself, Jason, Sal, and Bert. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye. I know I finished the video over there, but I'm gonna go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Speed it up, hell. Speed it up, speed it up. Speed it up. Oh. On camera as well. Okay. To be fair, I've done it on purpose. I didn't. Anyway, in here, what we got? Where they shoot all the videos, the YouTube stuff. That's Gus. So Gus was downstairs, now he's upstairs. That's Man Like Els. Els. He's very tall. Els, stand up. Jeez! Okay, hour talking. And then you got Andrew, sales manager. Gina G. And I'm back at my desk after I fell over. And now that is the end of the video.